Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So today I'm going to do a SZA inspired look, but I hope it turns out well. Let's start off. I always record my front camera because I like to see myself when I'm recording. I hope this is cute though. And I'm using, I don't know if you can see it, so I'll just use that for my brow. So here I'm concealing my brows, and I'm using this LA Gel concealer to do that. On a normal day I probably wouldn't have gone through the process of concealing my brows, but in this particular video I'm trying to get my brows to look as pronounced as possible. So after concealing my brow, I'm just going to blend that out, and for the top part I'm going to mix foundation and concealer to conceal the upper part of my brows, which is what I'm doing here. Kids Beauty Youthful Wear. I bought it in Ilorin, when I traveled with my sister, and this is the bomb. So when I exhaust this, I hope I can still get it in Port Harcourt or maybe in Lagos. So this has like a bottle, and it has an applicator which is like a pump, so I'm just going to use that on my skin. When I got this, I got it, so it was a day to my sister's wedding, right? I was confused. I was still contemplating, oh, will this be the right shade for me, because there were lots of tension and being very busy with. So this is my beauty blender. I'm going to just blend. So this is, I usually like my foundation to be like skin. I hope that's what SZA likes too. This is like skin enough. Yeah, I like products that have dewy finishes or dewy finish. So after my foundation, I was really unsure about the eyeshadow look I wanted. If you notice, I kind of started off with like pink, and I changed my mind and decided to add a little bit of white or a lighter shade of pink, and that was just it. I didn't do much. And here I'm trying to contour my face, which I'll normally not do, but I'm doing it here because I'm trying to achieve a particular look. And I'm also contouring my nose to try to make it look like scissors. Okay, so here I'm using concealer to highlight the point of my nose, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm using my finger to blend. So here I'm using my mascara, and after that I'm going to apply my concealer. I think this is not the right time to apply the concealer, but makeup is art, so you can decide to do things the way you want. So this is me applying the concealer, and I'm using this small brush to try to blend it out to get into corners of my eyes where the beauty blender possibly wouldn't have gotten to, or maybe would have gotten there, but I just decided to use this brush. And this is me blending in and having fun. So this is the time to use the beauty blender, and I'm using the beauty blender here. And it's blush time. I kind of feel like blush is cute, and to think that I didn't used to use blush for my makeup before now, but I just feel it brings this warmth and it makes you look cool. So this is me putting highlighter on the bridge of my nose to make it look more pronounced. And after that, I'm just going to line my lips and apply lip gloss. So after lining my lips, I use like a pink lipstick or whatever, and this is me using gloss to go over it. And I forgot to use my setting spray, so this is the final look. Tell me what you think. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share.